Hi, to provide someone to your Google Tag Manager account access, first you need to write the Google Tag Manager on Google search bar. Then go to your Google Tag Manager account. Then you can select your existing Google Tag Manager account. So for testing live, I have selected this. Then you will find this interface, and from then you can click on admin, and from then you can click on add user management, and from this you will find the plus icon, click on add user, and then you can write me my mail. Please select the administrator role and just click the invitation.